As a facilitator, your goal is to make sure your company experiences all that Everything DiSC has to offer. Your training sessions provide knowledge and key lessons that help teammates effectively engage with each other to build a better workplace. The opportunity to truly excel in Everything DiSC lies no further than your own computer with Everything DiSC Workplace Certification. Designed with your busy schedule in mind, this online certification course pairs the flexibility of self-paced learning with live webinar sessions led by our expert trainers. Mastering the theory and research behind Everything DiSC will enhance your training sessions, helping you facilitate with ease and guarantee the ultimate DiSC experience. You'll collaborate with other learners and share best practices that will transform you into an Everything DiSC expert. Whether you are new to DiSC or have worked with it for years, Everything DiSC Workplace Certification will help you increase your confidence and competence in delivering Everything DiSC. And fill your facilitation toolbox with invaluable tips and tricks. You'll practice navigating small groups and explore challenging scenarios that can arise during workshops. The course's rigorous content is interactive and memorable, so you have fun while you're learning. And each session is designed to equip you with the advanced knowledge you need to overcome anything that comes your way. By the end of the program, you will have earned the credential of Certified Everything DiSC Workplace Facilitator. And you'll also have learned how to create a culture of DiSC in your organization using Workplace's supplemental reports and My Everything DiSC, a mobile-friendly, interactive learning portal exclusive to Everything DiSC. Release the power of Everything DiSC. Learn about becoming a certified Everything DiSC Workplace Facilitator today by contacting your authorized partner or visiting our website, everythingdisc.com.